Hello dears. Today we are going to discuss about the third part of tenses, and the last two classes we learned about present tense and past tense. So today we are going to discuss about the last and final part of tenses, that is future tense. So before we begin, we have to discuss about what is tense. Tense express time relationship and whether the state or action is or was or will be complete, or is, was or will be in progress within the time period. So there are three tenses: present, past and future, and each have four forms: simple or indefinite, continuous, perfect tense and perfect continuous. So in the last two classes, we learned about present tense and its four forms, past tense and its four forms. So today we are going to discuss about future tense and its four forms. So first of all, we need to understand about simple future tense or future indefinite tense. Its formation is subject plus shall or will. So just remember that in the present tense we used is, am and are. In the past tense we used helping verbs as was or were. So future tense shall or will plus first form of the verb plus objects. So main use is to indicate a future action or possibility. And affirmative sentences. So there are different kinds of sentences are there. From that, affirmative sentences is positive sentences. So with I and we, shall is used. With you, she, he, they and it, we have to use will. Example, I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. It will rain soon. So you just think about with what all things we have to use shall, with what all items we have to use will. Okay. The next sentence is negative sentence. Negative sentence, as the name suggests, we have to use not, and which is placed after will or shall. Okay. He will not. It's a negative statement. He will not come tomorrow. The shop will not open on Sunday. Okay, that is negative sentence. Another sentence is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence which asks a question. Okay, and it ends with a question mark. Interrogative sentences. So, will or shall is placed before the subject. That is the starting. In the beginning, we have to use shall or will. And the first form of the verb is placed after the subject. Okay, shall. So we have to start with the helping verb model. Shall I close the window? Will he help you? So we have to use the first form of verb, that is interrogative sentence. The second form is the future continuous tense, and it denotes the continuity in the future. Its formation: subject plus will or shall plus be plus ing form of verb. Example, I shall be. So will or shall plus be plus ing. I shall be writing a letter. He will be waiting there. Okay, shall plus be plus ing. Uses to indicate an action going on at some time in the future. Future continuous. So continuity in the future. The train will be moving. The train will be moving when you reach the station. Okay. Here also we can see the affirmative sentence shall be or will be, and which is followed by ing form that we already know. It's a positive statement. So we shall be walking, they will be learning Telugu next year, we shall be walking at 4 o'clock this evening. So ing form along with shall be or will be. Another one is negative statement, negative sentence that we already know. Not is placed, and which is placed between will or shall and be. Okay, will or shall and be. So they will not be. So not is placed between will and be, shall and be. Okay, so they will not be arguing with Gangaram. We shall not be visiting Goa this year. Another one, interrogative statement that I already thought that it's a question. So shall or will is placed before the object, that we already know that it have to place in the beginning. So will he be cooking this his subject? Shall we be dining with the minister next Sunday? Okay, shall is placed and be is put after the subject. And the third one is future perfect tense. It denotes completion in the future. Formation, subject plus shall or will plus have plus past participle. It's a future tense, we have to use have. Okay, so affirmative sentence, will or shall is used according to the subject. I shall have typed all the letters by 6 p.m. The train will have left. So in this we have to use past participle. That's why typed, left. Came. Okay. Negative statement, negative sentence, not is placed. It placed between will or shall and have. So in the future perfect tense we have to use have. Before that we learned that future continuous tense, that is not have, that is be. Okay, in that not is placed between will or shall and be. So here not is placed between will or shall and have. Father will not have, and we have to use past participle, left, by the time you reach home. Interrogative sentences, will or shall is placed before the subject and have after it. So first we have to use will or shall, that is will, and after that subject, and after that only we have to use have. Will we have written his novel by the end of this year? So it's a question, so we have to add question mark. Future perfect tense. Another one is future perfect continuous tense. It's a completion and continuity in the future. Its formation is subject plus shall or will plus have been plus ing form of the verb and plus object plus since or for plus time. That's all same. We have to only use shall or will plus have been. Okay. Affirmative sentence, will have been, shall have been, it's followed by ing form. So you will have been preparing for the examination for 2 days. So will have been and shall have been, which is followed by ing form. Okay. And also the time. Negative sentence, not is placed between will or shall and have. So I shall not, they will not, it will not. Okay. I shall not have been. Okay. Interrogative sentence, will or shall is placed before the subject and have follows it. The same condition, that is in the beginning we have to add will. Will we have been. So after the subject we have to add have been. Okay. Will we have been writing a novel for a month? So shall we have been waiting for you since Monday? Okay. So here we discussed about 4 forms of future tense, that is simple future tense. There we have to add shall or will. Future continuous tense, will or shall plus be plus ing form. Future perfect tense, shall or will plus have plus past participle. And the last one, future perfect continuous tense, shall or will plus have been plus ing form of the verb plus subject, since or for plus time.